Heather Brooks, with some very fine cutting.
Hang on to your name tag.
Yeah, I might need it.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, this one's called the Smithy, so it's a, I keep wanting to call it a woodsmith. Blacksmith. So it's blacksmith in his shop beating the crap out of something. So, I did
Wow,
it.
some of those cuts, Heather.
Yeah, it took me a while, a couple days. So,
I don't understand. Is that wood?
yeah, this part is all wood, and the black is just a black background.
Maybe you should bring it closer for people to see, because
So you cut it all out first and then put it on a black background, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
and it's all one piece. It's
Yeah, it's all
not
one piece of wood.
pieces. It's all one piece.
Amazing.
Scroll saw or X-Acto knife?
Scroll saw. 1/8 inch Baltic birch.
How many blades?
I didn't even count that. I would think more than a pack, though.
1/8 inch Baltic birch?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
Heather, what
not.
size blade do you use? 2?
I think that could have been in my 00 phase,
Okay.
but I like twos much more now. I'm not quite as Tim's level of using veneer wood and making it great, but I tried. Next, any questions or?